Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central. We're at the Microsoft launch event for its new studios. This is Surface Studio 2. I'm actually very excited about this. Of all the announcements today, this one has the most significant changes to it. All right, let's get right into the processors. A Core i7-7820HQ. Now it's a 7th generation processor, but it's 45 watt. And I'll be honest, the processor doesn't matter too much in this device. It's a very good processor. It'll get the job done for most people. It's also the only one available. So there's only Core i7 now in this device, no Core i5. But the big news is going to be that graphics card, NVIDIA. So it ships in the 1060 as the entry-level model, or in the big model, you get a 1070. That's with 8 gigabytes of memory on board too. That's a very powerful GPU. And if you're a gamer and you want to use this for gaming or you use it for graphics, that 1070 is what's really going to drive the power on this device. That processor is really going to be secondary. There's also, I'm happy to report, a Type-C port on the back. It's USB 3.1, around 10 gigabits of data transfer per second. So it's not going to be Thunderbolt 3, but then again with the 1070, you probably don't need that. It's going to be mostly for external devices plugging those in. You also got a bunch of USB-A ports on the back, and when it comes to the main feature, the display, it's going to be a huge improvement. So you're talking around 20% more contrast, 33% brighter, just a really, really gorgeous display, and it already was really one of the best on the market. Now it's even better. They also changed the thermals on this device so it doesn't get really loud with the fan. They're still keeping that. They made the fan all new, and it's going to be a lot better performer this time with that GTX 1070 or 1060. The other big change besides that CPU and that really impressive GPU is going to be the storage solution. So gone is the hybrid drive, which really slowed things down on this device. And instead, it's just going to be a really fast SSD that comes in 2 options, 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes. That's it. A lot easier to choose from. But combine that with that GPU, the performance on this should be really, really good now. I'm super excited about this. I think I'm going to be able to finally use this as my regular driver at home. Now, there's no release date yet for this. They're aiming for the holiday season around Christmas time, but no guarantees. We'll have to watch for that. Pay attention to Windows Central as we'll definitely review it. Now, if you're curious about the original Surface Studio, we have those videos too, where we covered all versions. You can get a primer on that. Otherwise, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think and if you're going to pick this one up. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.